So believe it or not, I can actually fit these two crates next to this one and have it miss my latch here with no issues. Now this one I did tie it down with a zip tie. It's in there pretty good. I don't want to put the other two in here yet because I might put a chair in there or something that might actually take up the entire length of this. But yeah, it's a really cool idea. I definitely like it. I'm very happy with the results of, this is pretty much a really good size. What I am looking to do though is put some sort of bicycle carrier on the back. That would be kind of cool to take my bike. Unfortunately, there's not very much room there, so I don't think that will work. I was thinking about taking this off and maybe putting some kind of bicycle mount on the back or whatever, mounting it to this thing here. If you guys got any suggestions or ideas, let me know. I'm totally open to it. As you can see, I put some Reflectix, just protected by a security system. No, I don't have a security system. I don't know what to do to keep people from breaking into it. One of the things that's really cool about it is that if somebody were to break in, they'd want to go through the front, and this front is actually facing my van, so there's not very much room. Unless if they pull it all out and everything like that. Usually people that want to steal something it's a grab and go kind of deal. But yeah, I did finish this, which is really cool. I mounted this onto the side there. I got that all set, just a little cable, just so this thing doesn't go ahead and bend any of the hinges or whatever. So yeah, this will be mounted soon. So thanks for watching.